Hello DG friends. In this tutorial, we're going to change the color eye. Start with clicking on Adjustment Layer. Now go to Curves. Move the diagram line a little upper to lighten the eye. Click on Brush Tool and make your foreground white. If your foreground is not white, simply press D on your keyboard. Now hit Ctrl and I to invert the whiteness that we created using the curves. Start painting on the eye and be careful not to go out of the black area. Again click on Adjustment Layer, then hit Hue and Saturation. At first, check the Colorize box. Use the upper handle to select your desired color as well as the second one to increase or decrease your color saturation. Now press Ctrl and I to invert the color and start painting on the areas that you want its color to be changed. If you would like to add another color to the eye, again click on Adjustment Layer and go to Hue Saturation. Tick Colorize. And select your new color. Now press Ctrl and I. Start painting the new area that you like. Whenever you decide to change your previous color, simply click on Hue and Saturation icon and select your new desired color. Look at the changes of the color on the eye. And this is our final result. Wish you enjoy this tutorial. Please hit like and subscribe to support us. Thank you for your great kindness.